Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim, and today I'm going to take you through a quick grocery haul that I did. Now I have to admit some of the stuff has already been busted into, and I do have a recipe that I'm going to give you guys at the end of the video that I use. I think it's like just 4 cream cheese, pepper jelly, ham, lettuce, roll. So yeah, it's just 5 ingredients, really makes a good ham sandwich, and it looks really fancy. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But here, we'll just start here. I got some popcorn for us to do microwave popcorns. Like I was saying, this one's already busted into. I got some of this chopped salad. We're loving this stuff. And they're kind of expensive, so if you want to make them go further, you either mix them with some regular salad or even some spring mix that's back there. So we got 2 salads. We got some string beans here, which we've already busted into. I got 2 oatmeals for some breakfast. I got a cucumber for some salads. We got some sour cream because I use the ranch powder in that to make veggie dip, and that's always a favorite. I can't remember if I said we got some ketchup that was on sale. We got some half and half for my coffee, some pretzels for snack, some Doritos for snack. We got some spring mix, some mushrooms. Not sure what I'm doing with them yet. Got potatoes because we go through a lot of potato. Got some onion. This is a baguette, which I'll use for the ham sandwich. I got some rolls for hot dogs and hamburgers, some bread because we always need bread. Got some onions. This is the ham that I have to make the sandwich with. Got some butter, actually like a whipped butter, and then just a cooking butter. I use this to cook. I like to put this on toast. We got some mayo. If you guys haven't tried this Bowl and Basket brand, this is through ShopRite. I think there might be Stop and Shop too, but I'm not sure, but it is really good. Got some turkey sausage. My daughter really likes this. We got some Hebrew National Beef Franks. I have meatball mix. I'm going to do some meatballs, and then I'm going to show you, or let me know in the comments down below, would you like me to show you how I make this meatball mix go for 3 meals? Because we'll have it one night as spaghetti and meatballs, then my husband will have it for lunch as a meatball sandwich, and then I'm going to use the sauce that I cook the meatballs in to make a veggie lasagna. So let me know if you'd like to see that. We got some ground turkey because my daughter does not like red meat that much. So we got her some ground turkey. We're going to have burgers tonight with some hot dogs. That's what the rolls are for. Got some chicken broth because it's always a staple. And then got some pastas back here. And I think I spent $80 at ShopRite. I spent $40 at Acme. I went to 2 different stores. I usually go to ShopRite for my pantry stuff and like fresh kind of stuff like this. It is cheaper. And then I like to go to Acme for my meats. I did get all of my meats at the Acme. So make sure you guys stay tuned because I am going to show you that really good ham sandwich. And like I said, let me know in the comments section down below if you want to see how I can make this packet of meatball mix stretch for, I'd say, 2.5 meals. Alright guys, I'm going to take you through a super easy ham sandwich. It's a little spin on just a plain old ham and cheese sandwich. We're going to do a baguette. We're going to put some cream cheese on it, some pepper jelly, some ham. We're going to top that with some spring mix and a little bit of fresh pepper. So here we go. So as you guys can see, it is already 7:30 at night, and I didn't even think about dinner at this point. So I'm like, oh crap, let me make this sandwich real quick. It's quick, it's easy, and it's really good. So I'm going to start with doing a mock cut of my bread because my camera wasn't on when I cut it the first time, and there is no second take for once you cut the bread. So we're going to put a little bit of cream cheese. I had cream cheese in the fridge that I wanted to use up before I opened a new one. And if you guys like goat cheese, this sandwich is awesome with goat cheese. I'm trying to think of how we came about using the cream cheese. They're very similar in texture, goat cheese and cream cheese. And I think it was just Nick wanted the sandwich one day and we didn't have goat cheese. We had cream cheese on hand. And that's why we swapped it out. I think, likes it a little better with the cream cheese than the goat cheese. Mia tends to like it with goat cheese, but she's a really big fan of goat cheese. So we're going to spread that top and bottom on the bread. That way we can try and keep everything in the sandwich. And then next you're going to see me put dollops of pepper jelly on. Now, depending on how you like your sandwiches, if you like a little spice to them, a little heat, you're going to use more of the pepper jelly. It is mellowed out by the cream cheese or the goat cheese that you use. That's why you're going to see me dollop like pretty good amounts on here. We tend to like it a little spicier. It's like a sweet heat kind of thing with the pepper jelly. But I'm thinking you guys could use, if you're not like big fans of pepper jelly, maybe an apricot jelly would be pretty good on this. I'll have to try that and let you guys know. And then let me know in the comment section down below, is this something that you think you would make? Or do you like this kind of video where I show you maybe a quick and easy lunch or dinner idea? Because this will hold up really well in the fridge if you make it the night before and then somebody wants to take it for lunch the next day. We had it for dinner. Greg took it for lunch the next day. And I usually get about 4 servings out of this sandwich. Tonight we did 3. I gave Nick a really big serving of it. But we're going to fluff up our ham just like we fluff up our pillows, because let's face it, we eat with our eyes first. And then I'm going to put some of the spring mix on. You can also use spinach on this. It doesn't work well with like a hardier green, like an iceberg lettuce. I have tried it with that before and it doesn't work as well. You can use it if you have it, and if that's the lettuce you like, by all means, definitely use it. But for us, we tend to like this little, I guess, softer kind of a green. Then you're going to pile the sandwich together, and what's going to make it really fancy, and I did air quotes when I did fancy, is cut it on a diagonal. They'll think it's like the best thing ever. Not really, but you think it is, and that's what's important, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content and content that I'm going to be bringing in the future, then please subscribe to my channel so that you'll know when I'm posting a video. And now what do you see? Here comes that fancy diagonal cut of the sandwich. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.